surveyed the empty car park off Hillsborough Road at Warners Bay, where just a couple of weeks ago his teams were conducting hundreds of COVID tests daily at the pop-up drive-through clinic. Nick Burns uttered one telltale word: frustrating, and particularly when we know there's a need, it's one of 11 frustrations. There's been a drop of no new cases in COVID in the Hunter New England region. Of the new cases, Lake Macquarie had 284, Newcastle had 203, while Maitland had 119. Cessnock had 70, the Mid-Coast had 69, Port Stephens had 67, plus Muswellbrook had 23. Meanwhile, Singleton had 18, while Dungog had 17, and the Upper Hunter had 14. Detectives have charged 4 men as they continue to dismantle a large Class-13 laboratory uncovered on the Central Coast. Strike Force Caviang Police searched an East Lakes property just after 9 p.m. last night, where officers seized 338 grams of methamphetamine, $2,750 of cash, prohibited glassware, clothing and electronic devices. They were all arrested and taken to Wyong Police Station as officers raided homes in the Blue Bay and Long Jetty areas. They've since been refused bail. Now let's go to local sport. The Newcastle Jets are as confident as they can be of hosting their first home game in more than a month this weekend. The Jets women's team is scheduled to take on Perth Glory at number 2 Sports Ground on Sunday, and early indications are that the game will proceed despite a COVID outbreak last week that infected 12 Jets players. Newcastle's Jason Sanger's dream run continued at the MCG on Sunday with the captain's knock-in Sydney Thunder's emphatic 9-wicket win over the Hobart Hurricanes. Promoted to skipper in the absence of Chris Green and Usman Khawaja, Sanger has now steered the Thunder to back-to-back wins. Now, here's the local weather. It will be fine for Lake Macquarie, Newcastle, the Hunter Valley, as well as the greater lower and upper Hunter areas, and also it will be sunny for the entire areas of Newcastle as well. That's it for now. Good night.